You're thinking about buying a home, but are you sure you know which mortgage option is right for you? Thinking face it can feel overwhelming, but don't worry. We're breaking down the 4 main mortgage types offered by Patriot Bank to help you confidently navigate your path to homeownership. Conventional loans, the flexible standard. First up, let's talk about conventional loans. These are your standard, non-government-backed mortgages. Think of them as the most flexible option if you have a strong financial profile. Who they're great for: buyers with good to excellent credit and a stable income. Key benefits: you can avoid paying for private mortgage insurance, or PMI, once you reach 20% equity in your home, and they offer diverse terms, from 10-year to 30-year fixed rates. Patriot Bank offers conventional loans with down payment options as low as 3%. FHA loans, flexibility for first-timers. Next, we have FHA loans, insured by the Federal Housing Administration. These loans are designed to make homeownership accessible, especially for first-time buyers or those with less than perfect credit. Who they're great for: buyers with lower credit scores or those who need a smaller down payment. Key benefits: you can qualify with a lower minimum credit score and a down payment as low as 3.5%. This is a great choice if you need a more lenient qualification process than a conventional loan allows. VA loans, exclusive for veterans. If you've served our country, the VA loan, guaranteed by the Department of Veterans Affairs, offers incredible benefits. This is a thank you from the government, and it's truly a game changer. Who they're great for: eligible veterans, active duty service members, and surviving spouses. Key benefits: the biggest advantage: zero down payment is typically required. Plus, you usually won't need to pay private mortgage insurance, saving you money every single month. Patriot Bank is proud to help our veterans realize the dream of homeownership with this excellent program. USDA loans, focus on rural living. Finally, let's look at USDA loans. These are guaranteed by the U.S. Department of Agriculture and are designed to promote homeownership in eligible rural and suburban areas. Who they're great for: buyers with moderate income looking to purchase a home in a USDA-designated rural or suburban area. Key benefits: like the VA loan, a USDA loan can offer 100% financing, meaning no down payment is required. It also features competitive interest rates to help make those monthly payments affordable. Finding your fit. So, which one is right for you? It truly depends on your specific financial situation, your service history, and where you plan to buy. Good credit and down payment? Look at a conventional loan. First-time buyer needing flexibility? Check out an FHA loan. Veteran? The VA loan is your top priority. Buying in a rural area? Explore a USDA loan. Ready to take the next step? The best thing you can do is talk to a Patriot Bank mortgage expert. They can review your unique circumstances and help you determine the most advantageous loan program, ensuring you get the best rate and terms to achieve your homeownership goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.